Grassy cat. Okay. Okay. Acid. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so grr. Grr. Nar. Rar. Okay, we are done eating. We are done eating dinner. So, yeah. No. Do yachting. Are you supposed to go in here? Ooh. Ooh. Speedrun for nightmare mode. Hey! There's SCP-173. Okay. He's back. Yay! He's not chasing me anymore. Yeah! This is the hardest one. The one that is in the sand. Yeah, this is so hard. Oh, dude. Okay, SCP is already eating me. SCP is already killing me. Please don't fall off in this. Ooh, 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 ooh. I got moves. Move. We run. Ah! Ah! No. Do yachting. 3, 2, 1, go! You're not chasing me. You're too slow. Ah! Okay, you're not chasing me anymore. You're not chasing me. Okay, you're so slow. You're so slow. Ding dong, eat it up. Did you wanna mix it up? Ding dong, heart attack. You like that, huh? You like that? Ooh! Yes! Yes, it's not chasing me. Yes! This is the hardest part. Level 3 is the hardest part. Yarnland. Yarnland is the hardest part that I... Wow! 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 Yarnland is the hardest one that I ever... Okay, you're not chasing me. You're not chasing me, huh? You're not chasing me. Hey, you're not chasing me. You're not chasing me. You're not chasing me. You're not chasing me. You're already on my back. You're so close. You're so... Ah! You killed me. SCP. This is a different SCP to the SCP-173. Like, yeah. Do yachting. Boom. Whoa! I was so close. Yo, it smells so good. Smells like book. Tastes like book. Whoa, is this a book? Smells like book. tastes like poop. They God, I didn't step on. But you taste it. They God, I taste it. Why did you taste the poop? You said, okay, man. Stop saying or you're gonna be chased by a different SCP. Yeah, this SCP is a white one now. The white one, the white SCP, the white one, the color white SCP, and it's like a skeleton. Like, yeah, what SCP is that again? I forgot the. Yes. Yes, he's not chasing me. You're too slow. You're too slow. Okay, Crystal 7. Ah! What? Don't chase me, please. Don't chase me. Okay, this different SCP. This is not the white skeleton earlier, and yeah, this is a different SCP. Yeah, it's more scarier. Ah! Three, 2, 1, go! Ah! Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please. No! No! Crush lang yun. This is the hardest map. Yeah, I'm not completing this classic world. Secret world. The next level is locked until you unlock it with cash or Robux. Unlock on secret level for $50,000 or 90 Robux. It's my time, bro. Brokey, it's my time. Oh. Get faster every click. Okay, get fast. Okay, get fast. Yes, get faster every click. This time I want you like a shotgun. Submit it. Traceable. Wait. Wait tayo. Abot mo na ako 350. No! Di ako naka-join sa race. Please do not unsubscribe my channel or else. Okay. I'm only using this finger, and I'm only using 2 fingers, and I'm just clicking like this. Yeah, like more faster. If I only hold this mouse one hand, the mouse is gonna move, and if I hold the other, okay. Join race or else 700. Whee! You're only at 1,775. Huh? Huh? You're a cheater. You're a cheater. No way. Wait. Not this game. Click to get faster. Not this game. Click to get bigger. Pam pararam. twerk. If someone comments, I'm gonna twerk, and I'm gonna twerk. If you commented, I'm gonna twerk, I'm gonna twerk. If you only commented, I'm gonna do that short video. Yeah. Yeah, well, goodbye. Goodbye. I'm just gonna upload this now.